Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I wear my hair wraps, and I'm going to be using a little oil treatment underneath, with my bonnet. So this is just a really long rectangular scarf that I got from Walmart like forever ago. Very thin fabric, and I like it. Yeah, this is kombucha, y'all. I'm trying to get on it. It can get you. Yeah, it's kind of tart. So I'm just spraying with just regular water to open up the cuticles of my hair to get it ready to receive the oil. I do need to wash my hair, so this is just kind of like a pre-treatment before I actually shampoo my hair, probably tomorrow. I just applied the argan oil all over, just kind of trying to coat my hair with the oil, and then you're going to just see me slap on my handy dandy bonnet. All right, I'm just going to fold the scarf in half and put the folded crease to the front. That's gonna be what is seen, and I'm just gonna tie it down at the back, like the nape of my neck, and just tie it one time. I do like mine tight. I don't like them to shift or move throughout the day, so you'll see me just kind of do some adjusting there. And here I'm just literally twisting these loose ends all the way down to just make them nice and neat. And then I'm going to wrap it around my head and just do kind of some twisting and tucking in the back, just so that those edges are not seen. Nothing complicated at all. Same thing on the other side. Making sure that tag is tucked in. And I'm gonna wrap it around my head as well. So here you can just kind of wrap and tuck just so that your ends do not come untucked and your whole scarf doesn't come off. And just get it the way you like. If it's not too tight, that'll be great. And make sure you get your ears out so that your circulation doesn't get cut off. Bye guys.